Hello, beautiful people out there. Don't plan any tour in this month of May. Yes, yet another episode of this month amazing festival is underway this month, which is popularly known as the Niangtaser Festival 2018, which will be hosting by the Bhoi Tourism and Environment Development Forum RBTEDF in collaboration with Sidon Socio and Cultural Sports Club, which is going to be held on the 4th and 5th of May 2018 at Yosir Bhoi district. Here are the lineups of events to be held during the fest: jungle camping, tent house, night adventure, Niangtaser harvesting, karaoke night, traveling, fancy dress, cultural program, folk songs, indigenous foods, DJ's night, and lots more that can mesmerize your visit. For more details, please log on to www.ribhoitourismforum.com, and also you can log on to Facebook page Ribhoi Tourism and Environmental Development Forum RBTEDF.